Hello everyone, welcome to my channel on YouTube. We had been doing math in a very different manner with the strategies, some mental tricks, mental calculations. These tricks are nothing but these are the sutras from Vedic mathematics. So let's see what kind of a multiplication we are going to learn today. Again, we are going to learn 2 digits by 2-digit numbers multiplication, and the answer will be in 1 second. In one of my previous videos, I explained to you the multiplication where it says the ones place number in both top and bottom numbers to be multiplied adds up to 10. And the tens place number is the same. Now this is a flip of it. It says here the tens place number in both top and bottom numbers to be multiplied adds up to 10. So if you look at the example on the screen, it's 45 times 65. Now look at the number 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 adds up to 10. First checkpoint. Second checkpoint. The ones place number in both the numbers to be multiplied is the same. So I'll write down some checkpoints for you on the screen so that you can refer them. Now I have written 2 checkpoints on the screen. The first, it says ones place number are the same in both numbers to be multiplied. In this case, here it is 5 and 5. Second checkpoint, tens place number adds up to 10. So when we look at this 4 and 6, it adds up to 10. So that means we can use this sutra over here or this method over here. Now what are the steps? We will do it quickly. I have written the number 45 times 65 on the right hand side to show you how we will work out quickly the answer. We simply will multiply 5 times 5 and write it on the right hand column. Next, what we do, we simply multiply 4 and 6, okay, which is 24. Then we add this 5 and the answer is 2925. I have written these steps for you on the board. The first step, it says multiply ones place numbers together. So 5 times 5. I can write here it is 5 times 5. So 5 times 5 is what? 25. I write it on my right hand side of the answer column. Then what it says, multiply tens place numbers together, which is 4 and 6 in this case, and add ones place number. So what are we multiplying? Multiplying 4 times 6 plus ones place number here is 5, and what do we get? 29. So my final answer is 2925. Now I'll take another example, but I am not writing all the steps and the checkpoints, but I'm revising everything. We'll go over again. This method is applicable when the ones place number is the same. So this is the same, and 2 and 8, they adds up to 10. Correct? Again I repeat, the ones place number I can write on the top O and T. So ones place number is the same in both the digits. Tens place number in both, when added up, they adds up to 10. So what do? We will multiply these two numbers together. Let us split the answer column in 2 parts. 8 times 8 is 64. So that answer, you write it on the right hand column of your answer. Next step, I will write again here it says you multiply both the tens place number 2 times 8, which is 16, plus the ones place number, which is 8 here. So my final answer here is 24. So the answer is 2464. 2464. Let's take another example. I have 42 times 62. So the checkpoint says ones place number is the same in both the numbers to be multiplied. First condition is satisfied. Second, it says the tens place numbers in both top and bottom numbers needs to be added up to 10. So that's another checkpoint. We don't have to add, but we just need to check for the applicability of this method. So this method is applicable. So what do we do? Now, this is a little variation. 2 times 2 is 4. But since we are multiplying two-digit numbers, we will balance this out with a 0. I am not writing simple 4. I am writing 0, 4. We cannot write one-digit number on the right-hand column because we are multiplying two-digit numbers by two-digit numbers. Now, what is 4 times 6? 24. I am still writing the second step, 4 times 6 plus 2. So this is 24 plus 2 gives me 26. And my final answer is 2604. When you will practice, when you understand, you'll pick up the speed. But just for now, understand the process, how it works. See, it's very important when you go in for any competitions, Math League, Olympiad, SAT, banking examinations, any kind of examinations, okay, whether you are going for NTPC, RRBB, whatever it is, just need to scan the numbers. Scanning is very important. As soon as you look at these numbers, it should click your mind what is the best way and the easy shortcut I can do to multiply these numbers. And of course, that will come with the practice. Let's go to the next question. I have written 85 times 25. So, what is the rule? Of course, this is applicable. Ones place numbers, again I repeat, is the same 5 and 5, and 8 plus 2 is 10. So, this is applicable. 5 times 5 is 25. 8 times 2 is 16, plus 5 gives me 21. I can still write 2 times 8 plus 5. So this is 2125, and my final answer is 2125. I will take another example. Now let's take another example where we will have to do the balancing method. Ones place number, same. 3 plus 7, 10. So let's work out quickly. 1 times 1 is what? 1. But I am not just writing 1, I will balance these numbers. So we write 0, 1. 3 times 7 plus 1 will give me 22. And that goes in your left hand column of your answer. So your final answer is 2201. See, this is not the matric or nothing to memorize. If you just understand the method, it's very, very easy to do these questions. And when you just actually look into the question, you will be able to do the answers in your head. I'm pretty much sure. Maybe in the description box, I can share the link for these questions. So you want to practice, you can practice those questions from there and get the speed, because speed with accuracy is very important.